Okay, sixth graders, so this is a little bit of review from yesterday. Some of you were not paying attention and some of you found this a bit confusing, so I'm making this ed puzzle to help you remember how to use mybib.com, which is the link on Google Classroom, to make your Works Cited page for your project. So let's say my organism is glyptodons, and I'm using some information here from this website. So for instance, if I wanted to say I find glyptodons in the southern part of North America and all of South America, I could use that information, but I have to cite my source. So to do that, I'm going to copy and paste the website I found it from, which is just up here. You can double click it and copy. You can go to mybib.com. It's going to look like this. Make sure your settings are not MLA 8, but they're to APA 7. Okay, and then once you set it, you can click out, add citation. And here I'm going to paste my website that I was just on. I'm going to click this link. I'm going to go back here to check, does it have an author? I don't think this one does, but we can check. Nope, no author on here. Nope. Date published, we can check that again. I don't think I saw that on there. Nope, not on there. Okay. Now I'm going to go down to save. And here's my source that's cited correctly in the format that I want. To put this into my Google Classroom assignment, I'm still not done yet. I have to copy bibliography entry. So double click, copy bibliography entry. You have to click Google Docs to make sure it's formatted correctly. And then you go over to your Works Cited and you can paste it in. That is correctly done, Works Cited. Okay. So for every website that you get information from, you need to create a Works Cited entry. I hope this helps. If you have any questions,